So, for anyone who's never done Tai Chi, maybe heard about it before, can you just kind of enlighten them as to what is Tai Chi exactly?
Well, Tai Chi is actually it is basically a martial art that comes from China, but most people these days do Tai Chi as more like a moving meditation rather than, when you learn it, it's more for a kind of like a moving meditation you're doing for your health rather than, something you're going to do to protect yourself.
Hmm.
Um, and really, Tai Chi comes from Qigong. Qigong is a practice that's like 8,000 years old from China. And Tai Chi was kind of born of